of Indian Constitution. My first point is the fundamental rights. The 6 fundamental rights in our Indian citizens as declared in the Constitution of India are: number 1, right to equality; number 2, right to freedom; number 3, right against exploitation; number 4, cultural and educational rights; number 5, right to freedom religion; number 6, right to constitutional remedies. My second point is the preamble of Indian Constitution. We the people of India having solemnly resolved the Constitution of India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure its all citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expressions, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the integrity of the nation. In our Constitutional Assembly, the 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt an act and give to this Constitution ourselves. Thank you and Namo Buddhaya.